Online money is the future. And if you guys aren't making money online in 2026, then you're already falling behind, right? Now, I'm going to break down exactly why I believe online money is the future, how it's changed my life personally, and how it literally made me go from living in the UK to where I'm currently, which is in Dubai. And I'm going to break down exactly why you guys should start an online business, especially if you're working a 9 to 5 job, because the way things are going at the moment, you might not even have that in the future, right? Now, let's break down my story first so you guys understand exactly where I've come from and why I'm saying online money is the future. Now, I used to work a 9 to 5 job back in the UK, and I used to work several 9 to 5 jobs. In fact, before I took a big risk, I quit my job, I packed my bags, and I moved to Dubai, right? And what I said to myself at the time was, I'm going to try and find something here and work on my online business at the same time. What ended up happening was I couldn't find a job, right? So what I ended up doing was focusing on my online business. And now I run a 6-figure online coaching business that's completely changed my life, that's allowed me to live here in Dubai, allowed me to have complete freedom, and allowed me to make even more money than I've ever experienced before, right? So if you're working a 9 to 5 job, for example, right? Let me explain one thing to you. AI is replacing a lot of jobs. Now, I've seen it here in myself in Dubai, especially recently where there's been autonomous taxis, right? So driverless taxis, and you can imagine, right, that job could have been done by someone else. But obviously, with AI becoming a lot more powerful, with AI becoming a lot more advanced, you now have driverless taxis that you can literally, I can do this right now from my phone and just jump in an autonomous taxi, right? And not only that, there are so many other jobs that AI has replaced, right? For example, you've probably seen in Amazon warehouses, a lot of jobs have been cut back, a lot of people been fired and have been replaced by AI. And the reason why the government and these businesses are choosing AI is because you guys have to understand one thing, right? AI doesn't complain. AI isn't late to work. AI doesn't ask for lunch breaks. AI doesn't ask for salary increases, right? So why would they have you who can get tired, who can complain, who can not show up to work and call in sick, who can ask for salary increases? Why would they choose you over AI, right? So AI can work through lunch breaks. It doesn't ask for salary increases. It just gets the job done. It just does what you ask it to do. So jobs in general are going to be replaced by AI. And my question to a lot of you guys is, if your job goes, what are you going to do? You're going to try and apply for another job. Now, if it gets to a point where AI replaces a lot of jobs, a lot of you guys are going to be laid off, which means you're all going to be applying for the same types of jobs, which means that competition increases, which means it's less likely for you to get accepted, right? And this is why I always preach about making money online, because it's a little bit more than that. It's a little bit more than, your job being replaced and all that kind of stuff. But ultimately, making money online gives you freedom, right? You don't answer to no one. You don't have a boss. You work for yourself. You can go wherever you want and work. You can do what it is that you want. I literally live my life like this. Every day is a Sunday for me. In fact, I would argue every day is a weekend for me, because everywhere I go, I don't have to wake up for Mondays. You know how you guys have a 9 to 5 job and then you wake up on Monday knowing you've got to go to work, and that ruins your Sundays, right? And I know this myself because this was me as well. That's why you should look to start an online business, because that will completely change your life. Now, just a quick one before I continue the video. If you guys are looking for any help, or I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and show you the best business model online, which is the One Skill Consulting business model, where you sell your skills and knowledge to high ticket clients, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me. I'll be happy to jump on a call and show you exactly how you can start this business model and scale to 10K a month. Now, the reason why online business in general is the best thing is, as I mentioned, freedom. As I mentioned, you make more money as well, right? But guys, there's a little bit more than that, right? Because if the future is going the way it's going and AI is going to replace a lot more jobs, then what are you going to do, right? Obviously, I know there are going to be some jobs that AI can't replace, and I completely understand that. But what's going to happen is those jobs are going to be extremely low paying jobs. You're not going to make enough money. With the way inflation goes anyway, you're going to struggle, right? Because inflation keeps going up. Your wages keep like going up incrementally, whereas inflation goes up by 10%, whatever the case is, right? And ultimately, without realizing, life gets harder. And I think for a lot of you guys who are working 9 to 5 job, you might get 1 or 2%, 3%, 4%, whatever it is, salary increase a year, but inflation doubles. Do you know what I'm trying to say? So it's not something that you can visually see, but it's something that you will feel over time. And it's kind of this saying, right, that if you throw a frog in boiling water, he's going to jump out. But if you throw a frog in like warm water and slowly heat it up, the frog's going to die without realizing. And it's kind of the way a lot of you guys are living your life in that sense, because you're getting salary increases thinking that, oh, you're getting paid more money, you're getting paid more money. But what's actually happening behind the scenes is that inflation keeps increasing even more than your salary increase. So ultimately, you're still in a deficit. And this is why I also don't believe in saving money, because it's the same reason why inflation keeps going up, your money's worth less. The only way to truly beat inflation, the only way to truly be comfortable and have a good life, to be fair, is to keep making more money. Because you need to understand that your 9 to 5 job firstly won't do that. Because if you work a 9 to 5 job, you know, if you want to make more money, what are you going to do? You're going to have overtime, you're going to have all these other things, right? But if you have an online business, you can just send out one more email, you can make another type of content, you can send out a text message, whatever the case is, right? If you have an online business, by taking 1 or 2 more actions, you can start making 2 grand, 3 grand, 4 grand, 5 grand, whatever it is. And I know to a lot of you 9 to 5ers that sounds crazy, but it's the truth. I can literally send out a WhatsApp message right now and make an extra 5 grand if I need to. It's as simple as that for me, but it's not just based on, I just randomly can do that. It's obviously takes some time to build your business up. But this is my point. Making money online is the future. If you look at the way things are going at the moment, right? Physical businesses are struggling. A lot of people are getting sacked on their jobs, right? A lot of people are being laid off. A lot of people have been made redundant as well. And I've seen this for myself, especially with what's happening right now with the war going on. It's affected the whole economy, right? A lot of people have been sacked. A lot of people have been laid off. Physical businesses are struggling. I will say, honestly, since this whole war thing's happened, my online business has flourished, right? And I'm not saying that, I want this war to continue and whatnot. Of course, I don't want this to continue. I want it to all go back to normal. But my point is, when anything like this happens, it doesn't affect me slightly in a negative way. In fact, it probably increases it because more and more people are trying to find a way out of their job. More and more people are trying to find a way out of the physical business. And when you have an online business where you can make money anywhere you go, like guys, this is the beauty of an online business. I can literally go to another country right now and still work. I don't need to ask for leave. I don't need to ask for my boss to, let me go. I can do what I want. I'm not tied down from anyone. And yes, there are some online businesses that do tie you down. For example, when I was doing YouTube sponsorships full time, some companies, yeah, they put that in their contract where, for example, I can't work with a rival company, or I have to do this video in a specific time, or the video needs to be done in a specific way. That's why I kind of went away from doing YouTube full time and started using YouTube to bring in clients for my business, right? And that's completely changed my life. This is why online coaching and selling your skills and selling your knowledge is the best business model, because there will always be people that want to learn. There'll always be people in your industry or in your niche that will want to learn the skills and knowledge that you already possess, right? So if you have any skills, if you have any knowledge, you can sell it and you can make some serious money, right? So a lot of you guys probably don't even realize you have skills. And I've seen this for myself. A lot of people jump on sales call with me and say, yeah, I want to do this business model, but I don't have a skill. And it's impossible for you not to have a skill, by the way. It's just that you don't know about it yet. You're not aware of it yet. In fact, you probably put yourself down without even realizing. So if you're looking to make money online, and again, I can help you with even identifying the skill that you already possess, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me, and I'll show you exactly how I can help you by building the One Skill Consulting business model and scaling you to 10K a month. So guys, if you're watching this video, please don't just go about your day and just be like, yeah, this is what it is. I'm not gonna do anything else and just watch this video for as an entertainment purpose. Take this video as a sign, right? That if you want to actually change your life, if you want to be in a position where you can make more money, if you want to be in a position where AI will not replace you and all of this crap that comes with it, with inflation, everything that's happening, make sure you take action. Do not just watch this video, take action, invest in yourself, and start that online business because it will completely change your life. And if you want to know more information about the business model that I mentioned in this video, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.